Hey folks, it's Andy Baryer, Handy Andy from handyandymedia.com. Today I'm reviewing the Monster DNA Fit Wireless Earbuds. These are primarily catered to active people, and they have a dedicated kind of ear hook that attaches to your ear, and it's primarily catered towards active people. So if you're a runner or a jumper like myself, you should tune in. So sit back, relax, and cue in that intro. So let's start at the unboxing, and I did do an unboxing video if you're interested. It comes with not one, not two, not three, but 12 different types of ear tips. So no matter what ear size you have, you're going to be able to find the right ear tip to go in it. It does come pre-installed with medium ear tips, so for most people I think that will work, but you do have those other tips in case. You also get a little pamphlet to download the Monster app on a QR code, some Monster stickers, and also the Monster manual. What really makes these different is that design. Of course, you see that ear hook that goes around the ears, but also the button kind of just sits on the top. That's just that single button for the volume, but it's a rocker, so each side is up and down. And also the Monster logo is a button itself that you can press to stop and start music or take calls. You'll notice that it does come with a fairly large case, and for that reason it might be something that you want to put in your bag. Now let's put the ear tips on, and I'm going to be doing each one for the Monster DNA Fit with one hand each, and that was the test to see could I get each one on just using a single hand. And sure enough, it takes a little bit to get used to, but it's not that bad, and it has a nice secure hook look to it. You can definitely tell that you're wearing earbuds, so no one's gonna not know that you have earbuds on, and getting used to the controls takes a little bit of time. It takes a couple tips here and there, and then finally you'll get used to it. I had no problem turning the volume up and down, but I kind of wish there was a second button. So one button on the top for up, and maybe another button on the bottom. But other than that, I got kind of pretty much used to it after a bit. The next big test though was what could happen if you take it onto the jump rope pad, and that's what I did the next morning. It's about 5:30 in the morning. I took these outside, wanted to get a workout in, and again I was trying to do it with one hand to see if I could put each one in, and I'm starting to get the hang of it. So let's go ahead and see how it does on the jump rope pad. Just kind of warming up, and right now I can already tell these earbuds are not coming out. They're pretty much stuck like glue onto my face, so, or at least my ears. So I'm going to be trying more and more moves and just kind of warming up, moving around, moving my head around, going up and down, but still they're staying secure. Then I kind of want to try something a little more robust, maybe go do some double unders, and so shortly I'll be trying that as well to see if I can get the earbuds to come off, because that's usually when they falls out, is when I'm trying these southpaw double under moves right there. But it is super secure, and here I go trying again, just for things. I've never been able to pull this sequence off without messing up, so this is the first time I actually did it, and it was during the filming of this review. But bam, that got that last one I always screw up on, so that felt pretty good, and the earbuds felt very, very secure the whole time. So if you're in the market for an active pair of wireless earbuds, maybe you have earbuds that always fall out when you're at the gym or when you're running, because you can imagine you don't want to be running down the street and then earbuds falling out. These are something to check out. If you have issues with earbuds kind of always coming out, I think this is something that you're going to want to check out. Probably the most secure earbuds I've ever worn. The case is big, so I recommend having this as a secondary earbuds, maybe like for your gym bag, and then you have like normal earbuds that you use on a day-to-day basis, because these are quite large when they sit in your ear, and also the case is large. But no one, like I said, is going to know or not know that you're wearing earbuds, because it kind of protrudes and sticks out of your ear. So I'm not sure I like the design per se, like aesthetically, but functionally they do a great job for athletic events like running and jumping, because I've had that issue with earbuds falling out when I'm jumping rope and running, and these ones certainly are not coming out anytime soon. Well folks, I hope you enjoyed this review of the DNA Fit Wireless Earbuds. Perfect for active people out there. If you're a runner, if you're a jumper, or if you just have a problem with earbuds always falling out, these ones will do the trick. I'm Andy Baryer, Handy Andy, signing out. We'll see you again next time.